siyajabula nokuthi sinabo thishela. Lokusho ukuthi thishela ngivile ukuthi uyi-real tech. Nangibuka kuligi lapha. Like cale ngithi yabambala ufundisa kona. Phuma position 1 kuligi. Siyabonga kakhulu thishela. Ngangahlangana nomnye babe. Anga understand ukuthi if you're talking of position 1, what are you talking about? Hlala ngamlalela lo mzala wathi kimi nakasho kumntwana wakhe athi umntwana hey babe apha ema reports abuta babe athi umntwana nanga babe ema reports athi my son you got position 1 you can't even beat even 1 how many are you 100 umlomzala was expecting sathole abe number 100 whereas is position 1 that was very good in that. So sisho kona ke nala noma ningayibona le league asiyifundzeni kahle. Let's understand if you say from position 1 to position 16 what are we talking about? I won't be long. Me as Mandla Mahewu sponsor would really like to thank the Football Association today since we are all here to come and get our awards. This is very important. Now, what you sow, you come to reap. If you didn't sow properly, then there's a problem. You won't get anything. But if you were able to sow properly, you put all the manure accordingly, then you'll be able to reap what's much better. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyezwana mosi. Kodwa wakafaka bomanyolo wenda konke nalokwa, awuhlakulela umbila wakho. Awuphuma ibhuluja leti kahle. Kodwa utawuhlakulela ufake bomanyolo. Kuphuma tigadla umana uthi hey izayishaya inala. Basibana bakhala ngendlala. Ube wena uhlekelela athi hawu. Yami inyango itawugcwala. Ndiyagcwala tingungu kuyabukeka. Ngingathanda ukubonga indlungulu yelibhola ukuthi basikhethele abantu labatawukhona kusimanage yalibhola kahle. Ngoba kude umsindule ngeke ngawuva ube khona. Kude nedingcinamba letibe khona. If I can see you are all happy, I can see nice, good looking faces, of which to me it shows the positiveness that you are doing well. There's none in the world or in the country or anywhere who can be happy to sponsor somewhere where there's a lot of noise. That is very important. At one stage, Mr. Shongwe next to me, he encouraged the teams. He encouraged the people, please, this is our soccer. If we start misbehaving, we're not respecting, because guys, we need to understand, when you're talking of, when you're there playing soccer, we are making sure that everything is in order. We are preventing our kids from smoking. We are preventing our kids from taking alcohol, on all the drugs which are in place, even the criminal issues. So it's very important for the kids to be guided. Fortunate enough is that actually now we've got teachers who are teaching, lecturing the best out of football. It's at school level and also on the football side. So that's why I'm going to say thank you very much. Can you all clap our hands for ourselves? To emphasize, lastly, as you can see your brand in front of us, it's sitting here, the Mahewu. This is your number 1 product. Please make sure that you also carry on. You supporting your brand. You are eating your product. It's a very nice, good product, which I'm sure you're all happy. I'm sure you all enjoy this brand. You can see some, but no one can reach this product, quality-wise and everything. Once you take this, you have the energy. You have all the power. Even if you can say, yeah, just dig there, you won't have a problem. Easily, you're going to just go and dig there. You have the Mandla Mahewu. That's why it's written Mandla Mahewu, because of what? Of the power, of the energy source which you're getting from here. Once again, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. I'm going to say thank you again to all the teams who've participated, and congratulations to the position 1, 2, 3, all those on top of the log. I'm happy, I'm very glad that each and everyone who was participating on that lake will be benefiting something. So that's very good. I thank you all. Thank you.